Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Embercrux and fish it. So this is not a fish, it's a living core of magma and the ultimate challenge in the latest fish it update. So if you know that now we can craft charms inside the lava basin, and the Embercrux is one of the materials you need to create a charms. And here I'm going to show you how you can get this one. So Embercrux, is one of the materials that you can find while fishing. So it's not mine like a whale shard, but if you want to get the Embercrux, you need to fish inside the Embercrux, and this is where I get it. So you can just use your bass rod and also bait combo, because the Embercrux is a legendary tire fish inside the lava basin. So you can just get it using your bass rod and bait. So that's how you can get the Embercrux. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.